escaping me, living in the darkest history. Every single excuse I've ever made, I know that I just gotta learn to throw them away. Maybe I can find a way to escape the lies. Have I only seen the world with blurry eyes? I found the path to clarity, now I'm feeling alive. What's going on? I gotta guess something I haven't finished yet. Ignoring the pain I didn't see how bad it's gotten. What's going on? I gotta guess I'm a bit different from the rest, and this was all just a test for me. Yeah, dreaming, my mind plays back from the silver line. My heart's in the sky of the darkest night. Together we run till we see the morning light. Burning up inside, I can feel the fire fueling me. Overcome every odd, it keeps me alive.